Pizza.
And I can hit my message window.
Do you like pizza?
Right.
Yes.
So today's goal was really to increase awareness of assistive technology, specifically what we call augmentative and alternative communication. People communicate in many different ways, and some of our students don't communicate primarily with their voice, so we use technology to help them with that. And a lot of times it's a touchscreen, like an iPad or a computer, and that helps them get the words out that they can't get out with their voice.
Did you eat lunch at school today?
This is really important because we have students using AAC who are in all types of classrooms, and we really want other students to be able to be communication partners with those students who use AAC, so they can model on the device, they can talk back and forth and have a conversation, and we also really just wanted to increase awareness of what these devices look like and how they can be helpful in social situations and academic situations. And it really what we're looking at is how students who use AAC can become more independent communicators throughout their lifetime.
Okay, I think I got it.
We want their peers to be what we call communication partners. So we want the communication partner and the student using the device to talk to each other. And we think it's great when a peer helper, another student who's not necessarily needing the device, uses the device so they can have a conversation with that other student. And we find that's very powerful and really opens up communication for the person who might have some difficulty using their voice. And I think we really saw that today. I think it was really a neat activity.